In this video, our technical analysis for the Bitcoin price has played out exactly as predicted. But guys, today I'm going to show you this clear resistance which the Bitcoin price is currently forming and what we should be understanding in the next few hours. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video. So let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So previously, this is what we were following. So we were following this rising wedge, and traditionally, a rising wedge is a bearish pattern to the downside. And look at that, we played that movement exactly as predicted. So congratulations if you have shorted that. So right now, our support area na tinitingnan dito would be around the 37.5k as well as the 36.6k, which na-meet na natin based for our current analysis. Pero on top of that, if you're going to look at the current price action, there are still no signs of a bullish or bearish trend reversal signs yet. If you're going to look at the RSI, and if you're going to look closely dito sa ating movement, I think it could be either be a consolidation dito. There's actually still no continuation pattern. You could say na we are starting to form this support and resistance area. Pero medyo magulo pa siya itong support and resistance area na yan. So right now, medyo hindi pa ako keen kung ano nangyayari dito for the very short term. Pero if you're going to look at this closely dito sa ating hourly time frame, you can see na we have met our target. And I think we have to wait out for the next indicators to form muna dito for the very short term. Pero looking at this in the 4-hour time frame, balik tayo sa 4-hour time frame, you can see na this was actually a part of the ascending channel breakdown. So, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, in the early time frame, what we were monitoring was the rising wedge. Pero in the 4-hour, what we were monitoring was the ascending channel, which we have started breaking down. So, right now, we have to watch these crucial support areas na kailangan natin tingnan, which is around the 36.6k as a support. And then the 38.1k is now acting as a key resistance. And with that being said, pasadan natin yung resistance na yun. Kasi look at this. We are now forming a clear resistance line within the 38.1k or roughly around the 38.2k. So I think this could be a clear indication on what can we now try to look at next. So if you're going to look at this closely, especially in the moving average chart, meron din tayo nakakitang support line previously, di ba? Pero nag-start na tayo mag-breakdown. So as of the time being, since we have broken that trend, I think what we have to watch out for ngayon is where will our next support area be. So right now, the next thing na kailangan natin malaman is kung anong support area yung kanyang titingnan dito or mag-play out. Kasi with that being said, if we are able to identify kung ano yung magiging support and resistance areas niya exactly, then I think dun tayo makakapag-indicate kung at which point in time tayo makakita ng somewhat na nagko-converge yung move niya, at the same time magkakaroon ng divergences and, you know, mga confluence indicators. Kasi if you're going to look at this right now, I think it's still too early pa to understand on what will be the next move. Pero for the time being, you can actually watch out within this 20 and 50 moving average in the 4-hour time frame, which we are now actually trying to play out dito sa area na yan. And I think ang kailangan natin i-watch out ngayon is actually the 100 MA in the 4-hour time frame. Kasi look at this. The 100 MA is now actually getting closer and closer to our price action. So, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, we need to find kung ano yung magiging next support area niya dan. At the same time, the next resistance area. So, yung 38k was also a clear resistance area. Pero right now, the 100 moving average in the 4-hour time frame is now going to act as a crucial resistance area. So, on top of that, the 100 MA as a resistance, this 50 MA can also now act as a support. We could possibly say na possible tayo mag-consolidate dyan, and then possible na ito yung magiging support area natin, and then this one will be the resistance. In that case, if mag-converge tayo dito lalo, then doon tayo mag-expect na move anytime soon, either to the upside or to the downside. Kasi diba sinasabi ko sa inyo, in order for us to flip bullish talaga, we need for all the moving averages to flip bullish. Ngayon, ang kagandahan dito, nag-flip bullish na tayo sa early time frame kasi look at this. In the early time frame, we are now currently above the 200 MA. Actually, almost everything is above the 200 MA. Pero in order for us to see a continuous movement, the Bitcoin price must sustain this moving averages above the 200 moving averages above the early time frame in order for us to remain healthy. Kasi you can see now, right now, we are bullish in the early time frame. But the main thing na we need to answer dito is, are we going to sustain this movement? Kasi if we're going to look at this moving averages dito previously, nung hindi natin siya na-sustain, nagkaroon tayo ng break to the downside. So ito yung sinasabi ko previously na pag nagko-converge yung mga moving averages natin, then dun tayo dapat maging cautious. It can be boring sa paghihintay. Alam natin na ang hirap maghintay sa mga ganitong movement. Pero you must remember that patience will always be the key dito sa ating mga latest movements. So to summarize everything na mention natin, we need to watch out for the next support area na makikita natin dito. And then at the same time, the Bitcoin price must also sustain this bullish movement dito above. This bullish movement that is currently seen within the early time frame. We need to sustain that kasi if not, then we might see a rejection. Pero ang good thing dyan, if we are seeing a converging moving averages, then that could indicate a possible move either to the upside or to the downside. Anytime soon, you just have to be patient lang dyan. But looking at the 4-hour time frame, you can see na yung 100 moving average is now going to act as a resistance which we are now getting closer and closer. So yun yung ating titingnan natin dito with the Bitcoin price action. For the very short term, stay still lang muna, stay put. Let's just wait this one out until mag-form yung next price action. Pero for the time being, let's expect more consolidation. And let's wait for the next indicators to form with the Bitcoin price action. And guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, the best place to trade this is actually in BingX as well as with Bybit kasi dito mas mura natin Bitcoin trading fees. And yeah, if you want to claim bonus with our platforms, just use my sign-up code that you can find in the description down below. And what do you think guys? Okay ba yung gamit ko na mic ngayon? It's actually different from our usual na Shure microphone na ginagamit ko. Right now, this is what I'm using, which is itong Boya microphone. And yeah, nakita ko to actually sa Shopee and then ang dami ko nakikita na good reviews regarding this Boya lavalier microphone. So let me know if you think the audio sounds good or better naman siya or pangit ba. Let me know in the comments down below if should we stick with this microphone. So ayun muna update natin for today guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.